Session 43. Introducing three-dimensional shapes through faces, edges, and vertices. Faces are flat surfaces, edges are line segments where faces meet, and vertices are corner points where edges meet. By the end, you'll classify common solids, count their features systematically, use Euler's relationship, and reason about hidden parts. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional solid made from flat polygonal faces joined along edges. For convex polyhedra, faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2, F plus V equals E plus 2. Describing solids precisely matters in design, construction, and digital modeling. Packaging designers count faces to plan nets and printed panels. Builders identify edges and vertices when joining frames and corners. Computer graphics represents three-dimensional models using faces, edges, and vertex coordinates. Count one type of feature at a time and include hidden features that a drawing may not show clearly. Prisms have two congruent parallel end faces, while pyramids have one base and triangular faces meeting at an apex. Euler's relationship gives an independent check for convex polyhedra. Consider a cube. It has a top, bottom, front, back, left, and right face. Count systematically: 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The check works because 6 plus 8 equals 12 plus 2. A triangular prism has 2 triangular ends connected by 3 rectangular faces. That gives 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Again, 5 plus 6 equals 9 plus 2. A square-based pyramid has 1 square base and 4 triangular side faces. It has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices, including the apex. 5 plus 5 equals 8 plus 2, so the count is consistent. Complete example. A convex polyhedron has 7 faces and 10 vertices. Find its number of edges. Use Euler's relationship. 7 plus 10 equals E plus 2. 17 equals E plus 2, so E equals 15. These counts match a pentagonal prism. Check. 7 plus 10 equals 15 plus 2. Both sides equal 17. Don't confuse a face with an edge. A face is a surface, while an edge is a boundary segment. Don't count only visible corners or edges. Rotate the solid mentally and include hidden ones. And use Euler's rule only for the convex polyhedra studied here, not automatically for curved solids. Practice question 1. How many vertices does a cuboid have? Option A is 6. Option B is 12. Option C is 8. Option D is 4. Pause. Count 4 corners on the top and 4 on the bottom. Option C is correct. 8 vertices. A cuboid has 4 vertices on each of 2 parallel rectangular faces. Practice question 2. How many faces does a triangular prism have? Option A is 5. Option B is 6. Option C is 8. Option D is 9. Pause. Count 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Option A is correct. 5 faces. 2 triangular ends plus 3 rectangular side faces make 5. Practice question 3. A convex polyhedron has 6 faces and 6 vertices. How many edges? Option A is 8. Option B is 9. Option C is 12. Option D is 10. Pause. Substitute into F plus V equals E plus 2. Option D is correct. 10 edges. 6 plus 6 equals E plus 2, so E equals 10. Let's wrap up. Faces are surfaces, edges join faces, and vertices are corner points. Prisms have 2 matching parallel ends. Pyramids have 1 base and an apex. Count systematically, include hidden features, and check convex polyhedra with F plus V equals E plus 2. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.